Good morning, students. Om Sai Ram. How are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel Books for Future. Today I am going to tell you the story of your book Supplementary Readers, chapter number 6, The Making of a Scientist. The author of the story is Mr. Robert W. Peterson. He was an American newspaper writer who later became a freelance author of magazine articles and books, especially on the topics of sports and scouting. This story is about a curious child who wanted to become a scientist. The name of the child is Richard H. E. Bright. He lived and brought up in the north of Pennsylvania. Further, Richard became an American molecular biologist. He was little bit different from other children. Let's read about his achievements which he made in his life. Richard was very close to her mother. She was the only companion to him whom he liked most, because when he was just in third standard only, he lost his father. So, how her mother developed Richard's interest in becoming a famous scientist, it plays an important role in the story. Richard started his journey by collecting butterflies. When he was in standard 2, he had 25 species of butterflies found in his hometown. Also, he collected coins, fossils, rocks, etc. His mother, who encouraged his interest in learning. She took him on trips, bought him telescopes, camera, mounting materials, and other equipments, and helped him in many other ways. Richard and his mother were very close to each other. They both were each other's good friends. One day, Richard's mother gave him a book named The Travel of Monarch X. This book turns his life and introduced him in the world of science, and he got more interest in dealing science. In this book, he read how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. He started with tagging butterflies, which a task given at the end of the book. After reading this book, he understood that to win something, he needs to do something extraordinary. Later, for his 8th grade project, Richard tried to find the cause of a viral disease that kills almost all monarch caterpillars every few years. He thought that the cause for this could be a beetle, so he rose caterpillars with the presence of beetles. However, he was wrong. Next year, his project for the science fair was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. His project got the first prize in zoology division and third in county science fair. His findings motivated him to study cells and how they read their DNA. He graduated from Harvard University with second position among 1510 students. At the age of 22, Richard and his college roommate explained the theory on how cells work. This theory on working of cells got published in a scientific journal. For a college going student, it's a big achievement at that time. Thus, Richard became famous. Apart from science, he had interest in public speaking and debates. Richard participated in many exhibitions and won many prizes. Thus, he had all the qualities of becoming a famous scientist. Further, he continued his advanced experiments, finally was able to do his best. Richard's other achievements are: he discovered a hormone necessary for the growth of monarch butterfly. He worked at the Army Laboratory and the US Department of Agriculture Laboratory. His findings motivated him to study cells and how they read their DNA. One of his teachers, his social study teachers, Mr. Warrior, said Richard was competitive. Richard wasn't interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. He was winning because he wanted to do the best jobs he could. For the good reasons, he wanted to be the best. And that is one of the ingredients in the making of a scientist. Start with a first rate mind, add curiosity, and mix in the will to win for the right reasons. Richard had these qualities. He never lost his scientific curiosity. So, the story teaches us that the hard work and dedication can fulfill our all dreams and achievements. Hope you would like the story and my explanation about the story. Now, I will explain the difficult words of the story. My first word is excited, means eager, thrilled, उत्साहित होना. Published means in print या available, प्रकाशित होना. League, league means association, group, union, किसी चीज़ का संघ होना. Achievement means attainment, success, उपलब्धि. Kindergarten means play school, a small school for play group students, छोटे बच्चों का स्कूल. Determination means will power, दृढ़ निश्चय. Activities means behavior, गतिविधियाँ. Collected means composed, calm, इकट्ठा करना. Eager means keen, excited, किसी चीज़ के लिए उत्सुक होना. Astronomer means a physicist who studies astronomy, खगोल विज्ञानी. Stargazing means to watch stars continuously, तारे देखना. Curiosity means interest, snooping, जिज्ञासा. Bright mind means intelligent, उज्ज्वल दिमाग. Encouraged means positive, optimistic, आशावादी होना. Interest means attention, एकाग्रता. Equipment means tools, उपकरण. Companion means friend, साथी या दोस्त. Species यानी क्लास, टाइप या काइंड, जाति. Hometown, hometown means place of birth, जन्म स्थान. Monarch means ruler, queen, emperor, सम्राट. Migrate means travel, wander, विस्थापित होना. Invited means request, आमंत्रित करना. Attach means fix, जोड़ना. Adhesive means glue या gum, चिपकाना. Chase means hunt, pursue और follow करना, पीछा करना. Caterpillar young insect. Development means growth, progress, विकसित होना. County means region, district, प्रदेश या जिला. Experiment means trail, research, प्रयोग करना. Realized means understand, एहसास होना. Competitive means ready for action, प्रतियोगी. Appear means come into view, दिखाई देना. Suggestion means proposal या idea, सुझाव देना. Beetle means insect, bug, creature, जंतु. Viral disease means a disease spread by a virus, विषाणु जनित रोग. Viceroy means deputy, राज प्रतिनिधि. Research means investigation, अनुसंधान. Discovery, detention, खोज करना. Purpose means reason, उद्देश्य. Excellent means brilliant, अति उत्कृष्ट. Laboratory, a place for doing experiments. Department means section या division. भाग. Agriculture means farming, कृषि करना. Sophisticated means complicated, जटिल. Instruments means tool, devices, उपकरण. Explain means give details, समझाना. Ingredients means feature, items, elements, किसी चीज़ के घटक. Prevent means avoid, रोकना. Eventually means finally, अंत में. Champion means winner या विजेता. So students, this is the end up of our story. I wish you all would like to listen and understand it. Now please like, share and subscribe our this channel Books for Future and press the bell icon also to get the notification of further videos. All the best to all the students and have a nice time ahead. Thank you.